Okay, we want to take this expression and we want to simplify it so that it's a sum or difference without fractions. So we're going to take this denominator and we're going to multiply by its conjugate. And if we do that, we're going to do that in the numerator and the denominator so that we're multiplying by a factor of 1. So in the numerator, we're going to have sine of x times 1 plus cosine of x. And in the denominator, we're going to have 1 minus cosine squared of x. With practice, you learn that when you multiply the conjugate of 1 minus the cosine of x with 1 plus the cosine of x, when you multiply the binomial by its conjugate, you're going to end up with something that's going to turn into a monomial. So we're going to end up with sine squared of x in the denominator. So here we have sine squared of x in the denominator. So I've got the sine of x times 1 plus cosine of x. And then very nicely, this sine of x in the numerator is going to cancel out with one of these in the denominator. So now I've achieved getting a monomial in the denominator. And now I can split this up into 2. So I can split this up into 2 terms. So 1 over the sine of x plus cosine of x over sine of x. 1 over sine of x is cosecant of x, and cosine over sine is cotangent of x. So that's what they want you to do there. And it's all about multiplying by the conjugate in the denominator.